So let's now get into downloading Claude Code. We will just go to download Claude Code, and I'll hit here. Then we'll go to Claude Code, then we go to product, and then Claude Code. So for those who don't know, most people just know of ChatGPT, but when it comes to coding, I personally, my belief, and so many other professions believe that Claude Code is king. Probably after some time the arena boards might change, but I believe that's still the case as of now. Now the other disclaimer is that Claude Code is not free, and people do purchase it because of its good output. So for Claude Code, it is the cheapest plan is $17. This is the plan that I usually use per month. If you're going to subscribe to it for a single month, it's going to be $20. For Kenyans, that's roughly, if you are to add the 16%, around 3,000 Kenyan shillings or 3,200 Kenyan shillings per month. I can tell you for a fact, if you get this tool, it's going to be worth it for your development journey in this. So once you decide you want to work with Claude Code, that's okay. If you don't want to work with Claude Code, we can also just work with the free Gemini 3. If you decide to work with the free Gemini 3, there's also some inputs or outputs you can put in and get, but for good results I tend to work with Claude Code. So for those who will want to work with Claude Code, you will come, pick this link, just click on the copy button here. Once you click on the copy button here, you will come to your terminal. Let me just pick the CMD, or I can just pick this one. So this is partial. I wanted the terminal command prompt. There it is. So you just paste it in here and then you press enter. Okay, unfortunately it says IRM is not recognized as an internal or external command. Let's see what the issue could be. You could also use it using VS Code. Okay, yeah, instead of going through all that procedure, what you can do is you can come to IDE and then you can install it through the IDE, and the IDE we are talking about right now is VS Code. So let's just go and open up VS Code. Here is VS Code. Once you have VS Code, you can come to extensions here, click on extensions. Once you click on extensions, you can see we have Claude Code for VS Code. Okay, you can just click on it here. So we have Claude Code for VS Code. It currently has over 2 million installs. So as you can see, mine is installed already. You can just click install. Once you have it installed, you are good to go using Claude Code on VS Code. Okay, yes. So for this lesson, I feel that's where we put a stop to it. Once you have the first thing is anti-gravity, then you have your VS Code, then you have your Claude Code installed on VS Code, you're good to go. The other disclaimer is you don't have to use Claude Code. You can use Gemini for all the processes. Okay, so don't feel like you're left out just because we decided to use Claude Code. It's because I feel like Claude Code usually gives a better output as opposed to any other model that is there. That's why, since I do this professionally, I have to have it. Yeah, so that's the end of this lesson. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.